Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to import maps into Avenza Maps. So if you've downloaded a map from another source or received one from someone else, just follow along. First, open the Avenza Maps on your phone. Next, tap the plus button on the import map option from the home screen. Now choose where your map file is stored. You can import maps from your Files app, cloud storage services like iCloud or Google Drive, or another location of your device. Select the map file you want to import, and Avenza Maps supports several compatible map formats, so make sure your file is supported before importing. The app will begin processing the file, and once it's finished, the map will appear in your My Maps section. Tap the map to open it, and if it's GPS enabled, allow location access so you can see your position on the map. And if the import fails, verify that the file isn't damaged and that you're using the supported format. So that was how to import maps into Avenza Maps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.